In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain in System.io. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard, what to type, and what the DNS details you'll see actually mean, so you can confidently complete the setup. Start by logging in to your System.io account. Make sure you're on the official site and use the same email you signed up with. It helps to have your domain name handy and to know whether you plan to use the root domain like yourdomain.com or a subdomain such as yourdomain.com. Keeping this decision in mind will make the next steps smoother. Once you're inside your dashboard, head to Settings, then select Domains. This is the central place where System.io organizes all domain connections for your funnels, pages, and courses. It keeps things tidy and makes it easy to manage more than one domain later on if you choose. Click the Add Domain button. You'll see a simple field where you can enter your domain. Type your custom domain name carefully, for example, www.yourdomain.com without HTTP or HTTPS and without a trailing slash. If you want a subdomain such as courses.yourdomain.com, enter it in full. For a root domain, you'd use yourdomain.com. Consistency matters, so match the exact version you intend to use across your links and branding. After you submit the domain, System.io will provide the DNS records you need to know about. You'll typically see either a CNAME record or an A record, and sometimes both, depending on whether you're connecting a subdomain or the root. A CNAME record points one host name to another, which is ideal for something like www.yourdomain.com. An A record points your domain directly to an IP address, which is often required for the root domain, yourdomain.com. System.io will display the host name, the record type, and the exact target or IP it expects. These values are your reference, so you understand precisely what DNS should reflect. A quick note to help you interpret what you see. Avoid adding HTTP or HTTPS to DNS records. DNS uses host names and IPs only. Keep the host value accurate, such as www for a www subdomain or at for the root, depending on your DNS provider's format. If you ever switch from using www to the root, make sure you stick to a single approach for clean, consistent traffic. Once the values match what System.io shows, it will be able to recognize your domain and, in most cases, automatically handle the security certificate for you. That's the complete process inside System.io. Log in, go to Settings and Domains, click Add Domain, enter your custom domain, and review the DNS records provided so everything lines up exactly as expected.